Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthik. Today we are going to see how to create single value tuple in Python. For example, you want to create single integer value tuple. Means it is going to contain only one integer value, single integer value. So now we know that how to define tuple. T is equal to, for example, I am defining here one tuple 1 2 3. So these are the three elements in this tuple, and when we are defining tuple, these round brackets are not mandatory, so these are optional. For example, if you have taken here T is equal to 1 2 3, still this is one tuple, right? So now I want to define one single value tuple. So if I want to define single value tuple, and if I have taken only 18, right? So if I have taken only 18 and these round brackets are not mandatory, so it will consider it as only 18. So it will not consider it as a tuple, it will consider only as a single value, right? So then you must be thinking, I don't want to use round brackets, and how to define the single value tuple. At that time you have to use t1 is equal to 18 and one comma you have to give, then it will be considered as a single value tuple, right? So I have given here one syntax, t1 is equal to 18. So in this way also you can define one single value tuple. And for example, I don't want to use this brackets, so you can use this syntax also, 18 and comma you have to give. For example, you want to define one single value tuple containing string, so then you have to use here like Pune and you have to give comma, right? This tuple is consisting only one string data type. So we will see this practically. Now we will see creating single value tuple practically. So this t1 I am defining here, t1 is equal to, first we will see without using this comma. So if I use here 18 and if I check data type of this t1, data type t1, and if I run this, so it is giving me class int. I have told you, so these round brackets are optional, because of that it is considering only it as a integer. So now I have given here comma, now it will consider it as a tuple, right? Here data type class tuple, right? So in this way, whenever you want to define single value tuple, you have to use here comma. For example, I want to define t2 tuple, it is going to consist only one string, Mumbai, and I have to use here comma, and if I print its data type, t2 type t2. Now if I run this, I got here tuple. Now I will print this t2 tuple on the console. So now it has given me single valued tuple in this way. So in this way you can define single valued tuple in Python. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.